Recently, a new app called Gemini has appeared, part of Google's artificial intelligence service. This app has started appearing automatically on many phones without users requesting it. Some people find it useful, but others prefer to have more control over their privacy and don't need this app to be active, especially if they don't use any smart assistant features. And that's why, in this video, we'll explain how to fully disable Gemini in clear and safe steps without using any third-party apps, just through the official settings available on your device. Steps to fully disable Gemini to protect your privacy. 1. Disable the Gemini app. Open Settings. Select Apps. At the top, tap the search icon and type Gemini. Open the app. Tap Disable. If you see the option Uninstall, you can use it, but in most cases it will not be available, so disable will be enough as a first step. People often think that just disabling or removing the Gemini app from settings is enough. But the truth is that Google has distributed Gemini features in several parts of the system, and each feature needs to be turned off separately. Simply put, even if the app is disabled, some of its functions may still be running without you noticing. That's why the following steps are even more important. 2. Disable Gemini from the power button. From Settings. Select Display. Then Side Key. If you don't see this option, search for it using the search bar at the top. Choose Press and Hold. Then select Power Off Menu Only. Now, to apply the next steps, you'll need to have the Google app installed and signed in with your account. 3. Turn off Screen Context. This is a feature called Screen Context that reads the text displayed on your screen and gives you suggestions based on it. To turn it off, open the Google app. Tap your profile picture, select Settings. Choose Gemini. Tap Screen Context. Now turn off both. Analyze text on screen and analyze images on screen. 4. Disable Gemini from the lock screen. This feature allows the user to activate Gemini from the lock screen, either by voice or a specific button. To turn it off, open the Google app. Tap your profile picture. Select Settings. Choose Gemini. Tap Gemini on lock screen. Turn off the option Use Gemini without unlocking the device. 5. Turn off Gemini integration with Google Assistant. Open the Google app. Tap your profile picture. Select Settings. Choose Gemini. Tap Google Assistant features in Gemini. Turn off this setting. 6. Select Google Assistant as your digital assistant instead of Gemini. Open the Google app. Tap your profile picture. Select Settings. Choose Gemini. Digital assistants from Google. Enable Google Assistant. And that brings us to the end of the video. Now I've got a few questions for you. Is Gemini running on your phone without you even realizing it? If you tried disabling it, did you feel any difference? Faster? Safer? Do you think Google should have enabled this feature automatically, or should users have the choice? And if a new service like Gemini appears, would you prefer it to install automatically, or do you want to control that yourself? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a helpful conversation. And don't forget, Give the video a like if it helped you. Subscribe to the channel to catch all future episodes, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next video.